guys, I'm Sonia and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be sharing how I've lost weight. I've lost about 60 pounds and how I'm keeping it off here at home. Let me just start by saying, like, I am not someone who is naturally thin. Losing weight is not something that's easy for me, so hopefully you guys can relate. And if you can, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, share this video with someone you think might get some motivation out of it. And if you have yet to join my family, please consider hitting subscribe now, and let's get into it. I've mentioned this a few times on social media that working out has always been a struggle for me. I'm not gonna lie, but it's necessary for a number of things, not just weight loss. For those of you who have mental health issues or struggling emotionally, this could be one of the most therapeutic things that you can do aside from seeing a therapist. And because I've been sharing a lot about my weight loss journey, OPENFIT wanted to partner with me on this part of the video and asked me to try the 4 weeks of focus with Shay Mitchell. I wanted to make sure that I put in some work before I even mentioned it to you guys. Every single day you will log on to your OPENFIT app, depending on where you're going to be watching it, either on your laptop or on your phone, or even casting it to your TV. It tracks your progress, you earn badges. If you guys decide to join this with me, you'll know what I'm talking about when I say that Shay Mitchell keeps it real. This is why I love her too, because she's not faking it. She's not pretending like, oh, this is a piece of cake. She's like, but that's exactly what I was making the same noises that she was. So we're like here, okay? Aside from the app, you don't really need a lot of workout like equipment. I have hardwood floor throughout my entire place, so I needed a mat for sure. It also helps to protect the floor from your sweat because you will be sweating. Also, a couple of different sizes of dumbbells. I started really low because I'm not trying to hurt myself. I just got the weights that Shay Mitchell started with. Copycat! You guys can actually try OPENFIT for free for 21 days. All you have to do is click the link in the description box down below. And let me know in the comments if you guys would like to do like a live workout with me. I'm not sure if you guys would even be interested in that. You definitely would be hearing me struggling the whole time because I'm just very musical. If you guys do take the trial and sign up, please let me know. So some way that we can kind of like start a little club or group and keep each other accountable. I need to get myself a new fitness watch as well, so if you guys have any recommendations, let me know. Next up is going to be food. This is really a tricky thing for me because I've been really open about my struggles with food. I'm an emotional eater. I eat when I'm excited and sad, when I'm stressed out, girl. I'm like, like this video if you have not already. Don't double like it because you'll unlike it, but like this video if you guys can relate to that, because I am. All my little tiny friends, they're like, no, I don't do that. Cool. Cool. And when I call you guys my family, I mean that because I have been on YouTube for over 10 years and you guys have been through a lot with me, a lot. And Lord have mercy, you're gonna be like, who's that? Who's that? And part of that would have to be my eating disorder. So for me, restrictive diets don't really work. I personally just love to do portion control. I did go to a doctor because I was trying so many things. I even tried keto and it didn't work for me. Girl, I was obsessing over, I was dreaming about eating mangoes. That's how my brain works. Typically go sugar-free if the option is available, so that's something that you guys could look into. I also tried my best to stay away from soda completely because I drink a lot of my calories versus eating a lot of my calories. I cut down on alcohol a lot. So if I do go out with my girlfriends, like one will just get me tipped because I really don't drink that much anymore. A lot of times we mistake the feeling of hunger for thirstiness. Like our body is just like, have a glass of water, and if you're still hungry, yeah, you probably need to eat something. Especially if you guys are going to be working out, you need to make sure that you're having enough nutrients, enough calories to feed the beast because you will faint. Please don't hurt yourself, okay? It's not worth it. It really isn't. To continue on like the health part of weight loss, I was on birth control for about, I want to say 9 years, and I didn't realize how much weight you could gain off of hormones in your body thanks to birth control. So you really have to look that up. As soon as I had that removed, I kid you not, I want to say within the first week, if not like maybe like a week and some days, I lost like 10 pounds. Like I started melting. I was also going through a lot during that time. So I reached out to my therapist and did talk therapy with her. And I'm telling you, as the sessions went on, more and more weight was coming off of me in a good way. I wasn't starving myself, I wasn't overeating, I was starting to make more conscious choices and really like implement self-care. So that really does play a huge role in weight loss, maintaining a weight loss, or whether or not you're gonna slingshot back into old habits. So something that you should really consider. And one of the last ways that I prepare myself for weight loss and keep myself motivated, especially when I'm here at home, is to dress the part. Same thing goes for like when you're on a Zoom call. If you're in your pajamas, you're kind of like, ugh. So when I have my little workout outfits, I'm feeling prepared to tear it up. I am also dressed appropriately where my clothing is not going to restrict me from like all the movements. When I am overheated, I am like defeated. Now I'm a rapper. Don't compare yourself to anybody else because your weight loss journey is your own. Literally, the only person you're in competition with should be yourself. Let's be realistic. But that's it for today's video. Thank you so much again to OPENFIT for allowing my subscribers to join in on this workout journey. Ow, ow, ow. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like going to the gym. Work out with me at home. You guys check out that link to OPENFIT's free trial down in the description box below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.